I used a hex bit Allen key and a hex bit screwdriver to grind down to use as my cutter. I ground it down to a point, so it was a detailed cutting tool. You can see here I'm cutting, and it's going quite well, seeing as I'm doing it one-handed whilst I'm holding the camera. And this is a small finial I made just using this particular cutter, and it turned out really nice. I also tried making a cutter using a long bolt. I think this is an M10 bolt, and I tried to do the same with a detailed gouge using going down to a point. I ground it down, but you could use a file to make the shape if you wanted to. And this didn't work so well, as I didn't have the top quite as flat as I needed it to, but it still works okay, good enough to make this stock cylindrical, as you can see here. It also leaves a relatively smooth finish. I then used another hex bit and made it the shape of a mini round-nosed scraper. I used the grinder to achieve this shape. And here you can see them together. On the left is the detailed scraper, and on the right was the mini round-nosed scraper. Here I'm using the mini round-nosed scraper, just testing it on a piece of lace wood, and it's got a really nice cut. It's really smooth, you can get really tight curves with it, so it's actually a very useful tool. I originally got this idea from one of Captain Eddie's videos where he used a detailed scraper in some of his finial work, so I thought I'd have a go at making one, and it worked out quite well. It would be better if I made it out of solid tall steel. So if I cut off the end of a Phillips head screwdriver, a fat Phillips head screwdriver, I could use the shank of the screwdriver to make these shapes, and then there wouldn't be as much vibration. But anyway, it works out quite well. Thanks for watching.